Forget the applause. Forget the outcome. Forget who's watching. What's left? A breath before the leap. A whisper that says, do it anyway. A fire that refuses to die. And that fire is what remains.